Welcome back to another review. Today we are taking a closer look at the OneOdio Focus A6, a sub $70 headphone that's positioning itself as the true mid-range king. Built for long playtime, crystal clear audio, and strong ANC, it promises a premium experience without a premium price tag. Well, before we start the review, there is a good news for you. I'm gonna give away this OneOdio Focus A6 to one of my lucky viewers. What you have to do to join this giveaway is share your thoughts and ideas about this OneOdio Focus A6 in the comment section. Please don't spam, cause spammers will get disqualified. Right out of the box, the Focus A6 gives off a clean, modern feel with its aluminum alloy shell, matte anodized finish, and CNC curved CD texture. It doesn't just look sleek, it feels like something that's could have cost double the price. Weighing only 240 grams, it sits light on the head. The upgraded memory foam earpads are wrapped in protein leather with small ventilation holes, making them breathable and soft even after long hours. The foldable arm design adds travel friendliness, and the headband feels refined with multi level adjustments that cater to most head sizes without pressure. It's not just about looks though. Durability clearly matters here, and every component from hinge to headband feels well engineered and solidly built. What matters the most is the sound performance, and when I have noticed that OneOdio Focus A6 supports LDAC, I was sold. Really, a sub $70 headphone supports LDAC? Okay, that's great. Now let's talk about real life performance. OneOdio packed the Focus A6 with 40mm dynamic drivers, high-res audio certification, and LDAC support. And it shows. The result is a spacious, layered soundstage with crisp mids, likely highs, and punchy bass that stays in control. Thanks to the PET diaphragm, the low end hits with enough depth and texture to keep tracks engaging without overwhelming. Vocals cut through clearly, instruments sound defined, and there's noticeable separation across different genres. Whether it's jazz, EDM, or acoustic, there's a level of refinement here that's rare at this price. Switching from standard Bluetooth to LDAC is like wiping fog off a window. Everything becomes clearer and more detailed. Even more, the spatial audio with cinema mode makes movies genuinely immersive. It adds width and height to sound, delivering a surround like effect through two drivers. Altogether, it's a warm, balanced, and surprisingly expressive audio profile that brings music, games, and films to life. Focus A6 isn't just about blocking noise, it's about doing it smart. Its hybrid dual mic ANC cuts down ambient distractions by up to minus 48 decibel. Whether it's engine rumble or nearby chatter, it tones it down effectively. A highlight here is the wind noise reduction mode. Even breezes during walks or commutes won't disturb the sound experience. For times when staying aware matters, transparency modes let outside sound in without removing the headphones. Everything can be toggled through the dedicated app, which also unlocks equalizer presets, custom tuning, and alternate sound modes like cinema or gaming. The ANC is responsive and adaptable, delivering solid isolation that rivals some pricier models. Well, it's not about total silence, it's about maintaining focus. And at this price, Focus A6 does that better than expected, making noisy commutes, open offices, and casual listening far more enjoyable. When it comes to battery life, OneOdio Focus A6 has totally surprised me. With ANC off, the Focus A6 runs for up to 75 hours. And even with ANC on, I have still managed to get 40 hours of use. Wow! A 10-minute charge delivers 10 hours of playback, which is perfect for busy routines. Bluetooth 6.0 ensures faster and more stable connections, while dual device pairing makes switching between a laptop and phone feel effortless. Low latency game mode reduces lag to just 0.065 seconds, ideal for synced visuals. Whether it's movies, games, or music, this headphone stays connected and keeps up without compromise. OneOdio Focus A6 blends clean design, immersive sound, adaptive ANC, and extended battery life into a $69 package that outperforms expectations. It doesn't try to do everything, it just nails the things that matter most. Well, I've left a link in the description box. Go ahead, check this OneOdio Focus A6. But before you go, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.